Hello, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to show you guys that how I managed to generate from $300 to $1,050 one morning sitting in my lounge. So without wasting any time, let's get back to my trading screen and I'll show you. So here I am on my trading screen. The indicators I will be using is RSI and MACD. You can see the attributes for both of the indicators, the RSI and the MACD. So let me explain you the trading plan quickly. So whenever the RSI will be on the above oversold region and MACD shows us the red volume and these line crosses over, we will sell the trade. And when the RSI will be on the overbought region, like oversold region below like this, above is the overbought and the lower is the oversold region. So, and the MACD will show us green signals like this, we are going to buy the trade. And the time frame for trade we will be using is 5 seconds and 10 seconds depending upon the situation. So without wasting any time further, let's start trading. Right guys, so here I am on my trading screen and currently I am on the New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar pair. So right now you can see the price is getting above going. I am taking the trade with $300 towards upside. So let's wait and see this trade results. And here you go. We just generated $264. Now let me tell you the logic behind this trade. So what happened is that the RSI was on the current oversold region, which means the price of this pair, New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar, is currently oversold region. The sellers are tired of being solding this current pair. The MACD shows us you can see the crossover, the both lines come similar together, closer together, which means a possible pump towards upside could happen. And we cashed out on this with $264 by just risking $300. So now let's move to another pair, which is right now here is gold. So I am taking buy side trade on gold with $300 again. So let's wait and see. And we lost on this trade. Don't worry guys, losses are part of our business. So right now we are down almost, you can say, $36. Not a big deal. Let's find another pair and start taking our trade. So here you can see that the USD to ARS is currently on the overbought region, which means this pair could go lower soon. So right now I'm gonna risk $500 on this trade and the trade timings will be 10 seconds towards downside. So I have taken the trade with $500 towards downside. So let's wait and see where this trade will gonna go. All right, and here you go. We just generated $429 plus we have recovered our $36 loss. So that's the power of patience and your risk management. If you are managing your risk and also your position sizing, and you have patience to wait for the right setup and opportunity to form on the charts, you are good to go. So right now we are up $429. So currently I am gonna change the pair into, let's see, USD to BDT. Let's see its condition. No, it's sideways. It's not good for my strategy. I will search for the pair and here you go. Here I am gonna lower my risk to $300 again and sell this trade. All right, so I have sold this trade with $300 on 10-second time frame, and let's see what this trade's gonna bring. And boom, we have made a total of $696. Now why I took this trade, let me explain it to you guys. So when I open this USD to CHF pair, USD to BDT pair, then I switched to USD to CHF pair. Now what I have seen here is that the RSI line was above the overbought region, which means this pair is heavily boughted. Now it's time for selling. You can see some these 4 candles, red ones, which indicating the price is going downwards. I have took my trade right here above, and the MACD was showing us a red volume, which means the pairs are in control. We took the benefit of it, risked our $300, and we generated total $696. So right now, this pair seems a little bit suspicious because the RSI is on the overbought region and MACD showing green volume. We're gonna avoid this pair. Let's see gold, where the gold is gonna go. I am lowering my risk to $250 this time. And gold is not suitable for the trade currently. Let's find another pair. All right. Currently, this pair is not also looking good. Let's search for crypto and see. This one is also sideways. Remember, guys, we do not want any sideways market. Remember, please, we always wanted a trending market, whether it's upwards or downwards on the overbought or oversold region. This time, I'm going to take upside trade with $250. Let's complete this trade and see what it brings. All right. The price, we occurred a loss of almost, you can say, $250, but it doesn't matter. We are still green, $446. Let's wait for another opportunity to form. Guys, by the way, meanwhile, I'm finding the pair. Let me give you guys a quick tip. Whenever you are trading, wait for the right opportunity like I am waiting, because if you aren't waiting, you aren't earning. All right. So the price is currently on the downwards region, and I have took upside trade on the pair USD to ARS. It's going downwards again. Come on. And we have occurred another loss, and we are back to $196. But don't worry, guys. I'm going to recover all this in front of you all. So right now, I'm going to increase as I'm green, and I'm going to increase my investment to $700 this time, and check another pair NSD to CAD. And I'm going to take this trade with 5-second time frame with $700. So let's see where this trade is going to go. Boom. We are $847 above, from 10,196 to 10,847. As I told you guys, wait for the right opportunity, manage your risk and position sizing, because if you aren't waiting, you aren't earning. All right. So I have generated $847 by trading in front of you all. So right now, I prefer lowering my risk to almost $200 again. Let's find another pair which suits our strategy. No, this crypto is not looking good at this time because the currencies are going downwards. The trends are downwards. I don't know why, but trends are downwards because RSI is right here. On gold, I am thinking to change the trade, but the RSI is looking suspicious because it's just sideways, and I'm not a big fan of sideways market personally. All right, so let's look USD to INR. It's also sideways. Let's see commodities. Silver. What's silver doing? All right, so let's check silver. Silver is also sideways. Come on, all the markets are sideways. Now here is Intel stock. So on Intel stock, I am taking a sell trade with $200, 5-second time frame. And here you go. We just completed our target of $1,050. It's still $20 below, but we have hit the mark with just initial investment of $300, and we generated $1,021. Can you believe it, guys? In front of you all. If you aren't believing, start practicing now with me. And if you want to join this platform, check the link in the description of Becoinnet. I have found this tool pretty useful because you can see forecast. Doesn't have to do a lot of work. You can see the forecast on the Becoinnet platform, and click the link right here of Codex platform. Add up to minimum of $10 only if you want to start trading. And if you want extra 30% bonus, just add $100 and start practicing and start trading with me, and you will gonna get 30% extra. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, happy trading.